Okay. Talk louder. Here's the study.
Yeah, this is the entrance. Yeah, this is the big old hallway. There is, what's this?
Spare room.
Spare room.
Wait, we've got to wait. I've got to show the spare room. Yeah.
I know.
Yep.
Here's my sister's room.
Amber's room.
There's a wardrobe here.
Wardrobe. What one? Are you in that photo, Tyler? Up there? That one up there?
Yeah. Don't. Yeah. Yeah. This is the laundry room.
Laundry.
Here's my room.
Your room. Pretty cool room. Oh,
Christmas
should we
tree.
turn the light on?
Christmas tree. And my
You've got
wheelchair.
you've got your own Christmas tree. Some cars.
And some Star Wars stuff. There goes my old wheelchair.
This is Tyler's old wheelchair. This is me. Push him on.
It's a
And get in. Come here. And we've got the same. I'm wearing the jersey version of his top, and he's wearing the top version of my jersey.
yeah.
See
Let's show them. Yeah.
that. And wait. And this. What else? Can you lead the way?
The bathroom.
Bathroom.
Toilet. Show them the bathroom and the toilet.
Toilet. And bathroom. And what else? An appearance room.
Pet room.
Their room. And that's outside.
TV in the bed.
They have a TV.
Yeah, in the bathroom.
Don't you have a TV though?
The
Oh, their bathroom.
yeah, in the wardrobe.
And their wardrobe. Can't see it on here. And this is us. And lead the way.
The garage.
Garage? Yeah. Should we go in the
front of
garage?
you.
Can't
Right
look.
here. Right.
Okay. Oh, garage is in here.
Turn the lights on so they can.
Yeah.
Here goes.
It's pretty cool in here,
Here goes a
eh?
black car.
It's a Ford.
Here's two motorbikes.
Mhm.
And there's weights.
There's weights. What else? And your dad's got some a couple of cars outside as well. You go out and I'll close the door after.
Guys, the guys that are gonna watch this video, you can subscribe to me and like this video if you want to. This video is about to end.
Is it? When are we gonna? We'll end it back in the living room, okay?
Yeah. But facing at me though.
Yeah.
Now we can stop.
Wait, we need to go in there. We need to go in here.
Yeah.
You've got car out to there.
This is the kitchen.
Yeah.
And come on. You say? And it's Tyler's birthday today. And he's got some birthday cards.
This is the lounge.
It's the Christmas tree.
I've got a Christmas tree in here. Yeah, see you guys, check this video out. If you like it, you can do anything.
If you like it, you can do anything.
Stop recording, GoPro.
Stop recording, GoPro. Stop recording. Stop recording, GoPro. You do it. We might edit this bit out.
GoPro,
Can you-
stop
Can we
recording.
flip it the other way around?
GoPro, stop recording.